Hey guys, today's video is the beginning of a manufactured home heat pump. If you saw my video from a couple days ago, showed you how I build those plenums for air handlers that sit in manufactured homes. It did not go very well, phase one of this project, and I actually had to go back this morning. I'm going to go back there and finish up tomorrow, but I had to go back this morning because my brother miswired the thermostat. And I'll show you the terminals right here. And you can see what he did wrong was he had, so it's got the darker terminals for the conventional, and it's got the auxiliary lighter terminals. It's on the old T6 Pros have the same base. This is the new Focus Pro S200 that has that same little backing plate. You got to be real careful where you land your W wire, or you're gonna have problems. So anyway, yesterday didn't go too good. Hope this video works out okay. It's kind of a mishmash, and I don't know how it's going to turn out, but here we go. Guys, a little before and after for you. So there's our Coleman that's coming out, and they put a coil in there that would match up with this guy, this Train XE1100. $1995. She's coming out. Matt's going to get the pad leveled up there. There's our access. I'm going to start tearing him apart. Alright guys, I got my gauges hooked up here. He's slowly bumping down on this cold morning. Got the pad leveled off there. We'll try to sprinkle some rock, clean that up, make it look nice. And I'm going to get Matt set up, drilling this hole. What's nice about the cinder block is we can just use a regular drill with those spider bits on the roto setting on the hammer drill, and it goes right through like butter. Yeah, they always run these electrical right up against the wall. So good thing I have about a 6-inch gap there. This will just get cut there. I'll just slide everything over a little bit so it's easier to work on tying the new stuff in. Yank this out, yank the blower out. Once that's recovered, easy to take the shell out. Alright, I got her all unboxed there. There's my can I built yesterday, if you guys watched yesterday's video. Got all the refrigerant recovered into the unit. Go ahead and cut everything loose. I'm going to start inside. Again, like you saw, my brother's got the pad leveled off. He's over there working on a new line set. Almost got her. Tube out of there. Close cutters. Close cutters. Just grab my saws. Okay, we got that guy all cut down below. I'm going to cut the other side. Matt's going to go down and yank her out of there. I'm going to keep working on getting this guy out. Just like that, we got her out. There's all of our debris from cutting out that opening, coil, blower, panels, etc. We'll deal with him later. I want to get working on this air handler. Got my filter cabinet on there. Got my sides and my back taped. I just got to drill my hole to run our EEV, or no, actually our temp sensor cable through the cabinet like I've showed you before, and for obviously our low voltage and whatnot. Alright guys, we got that unit pulled out, and looky there. And then also the duct is all crinkled. So that probably been like that for 30 years. Well, 25. We'll seal that up for him before we put our can on there. Beautiful. All right, we got a lot done since the last video. Just a little bit of a progress report here. Things are going smooth. Let's keep on keeping on. Separate knob. Why separate knob? Hey guys, it's one of those days where everybody wants to stand around and talk instead of actually working. So I got tools laying everywhere. I got loose ends everywhere. We got to pull a new thermostat wire. Let me show you where we're at in here. Still got the old unit sitting there. And you just unplugged the pump. Ugh. I hate feeling disorganized like this. Yeah, I just got stuff everywhere. I'm getting back to work.